you have some exclusive information about the Sullivans' future.
I do, Scott. We're learning the Sullivans will be leaving us for some time. The decision has been made that she will be dry docked. Of course, taking you back a year ago today, this where I am standing right now was listed, almost hitting the dock here across from me to my left, filled with water. Obviously not the case this morning. And like you were saying, Scott, the plans for the Sullivans' future is bright and a little more concrete. Basking in the sunlight of a warm spring day, the USS the Sullivans sits upright and proud, one deck down. The remnants of a year ago remain.
You can imagine all of this area here completely filled up to, completely filled to the overhead right to about the center line.
Shane Stevenson is the director of museum collections at Buffalo and Erie County Naval and Military Park. He says it took 6 weeks of practice pumping and analyzing data to get it just right.
And if the pumping plan wasn't in place or thorough and all of that data analyzed, then you could have broken her back or the keel.
Thankfully, in a matter of hours, she was floating again. Work, though.
This is where the water level was, right? So this is the oil.
To preserve the 80-year-old ship, and her story is still well underway.
Still have a lot of work to do down here. A lot of abatement. There was lead paint that they used.
After the water was removed, an environmental company came in to remove leftover oil.
They had to get in here and clean the oil out of each of these areas.
A tedious task. For Stevenson, it's been a labor of love. Over on the USS Little Rock,
So these are cataloged.
he set up a triage center with the help of a local art conservator for damaged artifacts.
4 different stations, vacuuming, cleaning.
Workbooks.
So this was waterlogged.
Foul weather jackets.
That's when it's bad out or cold.
Photographs.
This is as best as we could get it clean.
And even documents given to sailors of where they were docking were saved.
Maybe make it workable.
It's been an arduous year of cleaning and cataloging. Stevenson says many of them are still dealing with the trauma of seeing the ship capsize.
We still feel very stressed, traumatic. Some of us had a lot of nightmares.
But Stevenson says they had to show their mettle. No doubt they have, and they continue to do so.
She will be able to last past my time here.
After a naval surveyor's visit back in December, it became clear dry docking is what's best. Paul Marzello, the park's president and CEO, says plans won't be finalized until May or June, however.
She needs to have the steel replaced, not just patched.
Marzello says repairs will roughly take 7 months, and once she's tugged back, repairs on the inside will then begin.
Like on these dates.
Until then, Stevenson will continue to catalog these artifacts he has saved. He'll most likely find a place for them on land, so this part of the Sullivans' history can be told too.
We've got the right tools and the crew for the next 80 years to keep her floating.
That they do. It's incredible, all the work they have done the past year to get the Sullivans, well, where she is this morning. Now, in terms of dry docking, there is a short list of shipyards that includes Toledo, Ohio, Erie, Pennsylvania, and Hamilton, Ontario. Again, those plans not finalized just yet, but no other ideas are being floated around at this time. Dry docking is what will happen here for the Sullivans. And when it's time to move her on out, folks, it is going to be quite the sight to see. Marzello says, of course, the Sullivans, she is double parked between the Little Rock and the Croaker. Scott, you can't just turn on these historic vessels. All 3 will have to be tugged in some way to get the Sullivans out and on her way to her temporary home. And Scott, it is going to be a sight to see. I'm certainly excited to cover it when it does take place.
I'm envisioning it like a game of naval Tetris, really. It will be something
seriously,
to see.
Yeah.
All right,
Exactly
Bree,
right.
thank you.
It'll be cool.